Hello, I'm Sridhar. I'm going to explain the topic of oxidation and reduction. It is the main topic of acids and bases. And here also I'm going to explain about the redox reaction also. In this, upon the completion of this period, you would be able to know the what is an oxidation, what is the reduction, and what is the redox reaction. Okay, this topic is very important to important for the calculation of oxidation number of an element in a molecule or ion. Okay, some important chemical reactions are rusting of metals. The rusting of metals, the process involved in photography, the way living systems produce and utilize energy, the operation of a car battery. These chemicals changes are all are classified as electron transfer or oxidation and reduction reactions. What do we discuss? Rusting of metals, process involved in the photography, the way living systems produce and utilize energy, the operation of the car battery. Okay, these are all involved in the chemical reactions of oxidation or reduction reactions. Okay, these are electron transfers or oxidation reduction reactions. Now let us discuss about the oxidation reaction. In this reaction, the electrons are lost, or the losing of electrons is called as oxidation reaction. Or sometimes this may be defined as the addition of oxygen or removal of electrons, or addition of oxygen or increasing of oxidation number in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation. And next, let us discuss about the reduction reaction. Okay, this reaction is in this reaction electrons are gained, or gaining electrons is called as reduction reaction. This may be defined as the process in which the addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen or gaining of electron or decreasing of oxidation number is called as reduction reaction. Okay, during the oxidation reaction, the electrons are lost by the atoms, cations are formed. The oxidation state of the metal is always increases from 0 to positive value, that is plus 1, plus 2, etc. Oxidation reactions are written in the following form using the element calcium, Q stage to calcium plus 2 ion with 2 electrons. In this, the symbol of the atom is calcium here. The symbol of the cation is formed Ca plus 2, and then it releases the 2 electrons. Okay, this reaction is oxidation reaction. The oxidation state increases from 0 to positive number, from 0 to plus 2 state in the above example. Here the calcium is having the 0 oxidation state, and calcium plus 2 ions is having plus 2 oxidation state. It is always numerically equal to the number of electrons lost. Okay, next one, the reduction concept. During the reduction reaction, as the electrons are gained by the atom, anions are formed. The oxidation state of non-metals always decreases from 0 to negative values, that is -1, -2, etc. Okay, reduction reactions are written in the following way by taking the example as oxygen. When oxygen gains the 2 electrons, it converts as O minus 2. Okay, O plus 2 electrons gives rise to O minus. It is a reduction reaction. The charge of the anion is formed always numerically equal to the number of electrons gained. Here oxygen gains the 2 electrons, its charge become O minus 2. Okay, next let us discuss about the redox reactions. Okay, the process of oxidation cannot occur without corresponding reduction reaction. Okay, then it is called as coupled reaction. Oxidation must always be coupled with the reduction. Okay, electrons that are lost by one substance must always be gained by the another substance in the redox process. Oxidation and reduction reactions are collectively called as redox reaction. Simply we can say it as a reaction containing both oxidation and reduction reactions is called as redox reaction. Okay, let us take example of redox reaction is zinc. When it loses the 2 electrons, it converts as zinc plus 2. Copper plus 2, whenever it gains the 2 electrons, it converts as copper. In this one, first one is oxidation reaction and second one is reduction reaction. In first example, it lost the 2 electrons. It loses the 2 electrons. In second electron, it gains the 2 electrons. Okay, the overall reaction can be written as zinc plus copper plus 2 gives rise to zinc plus 2 plus copper. Then it is a redox reaction. Here zinc to zinc plus 2, it is an oxidation. Copper plus 2 copper is a reduction reaction. Okay, some more examples for oxidation reactions here are Mg gives rise to Mg plus 2 plus 2 electrons. Copper gives, whenever lose 2 electrons, copper plus 2 electrons. Some important reactions for the reductions are Cl, when it gains 1 electron, it converts as Cl minus. Oxygen, when it gains 2 electrons, it converts as O minus 2. In this topic, we have learnt about the oxidation reactions and examples, reduction reactions with examples, and redox reactions with examples. Okay, we discuss some quiz questions in this topic. Which of the following is an example for the oxidation reaction? Mg gives rise to Mg plus 2. Cl gives rise to Cl plus 2, Cl minus, oxygen gives rise to oxygen minus 2, O minus 2. Cu plus 2 gives rise to Cu. Okay, in this right answer is magnesium gives rise to magnesium plus 2. Means when it loses 2 electrons, it converts as Mg plus 2. Remaining were not. And next question is, in oxidation reaction, electrons are lost, electrons are gained, oxidation number decreases, electrons are gained or lost. The right answer is electrons are lost. Okay, it is the definition of the oxidation. Okay, frequently asked questions are in this topic: define the oxidation and reduction reactions. Give one example for each. Thank you.